How was your exam? Last day exam, Malayalam exam? Easy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. Good work. So today we'll revise our lesson 1 and
Okay, ma'am.
one more chapter, lesson 3. Yes. Okay, chapter 1 and chapter 3, maps and all. Okay, please be ready with your rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Make it fast. You're going to write something. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Good work.
Yes. Yes. Take.
Okay, so let's start. All of you, please switch on your videos, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just write question number 1 and just write the answer. Okay, no need of writing questions. Just write the answer. I'll read question number 1. A dash show the order of events that have happened in the past. We use something to show the order of events that happened in the past. Okay? All of you, take your rough book and start writing. This is a test, class test for you. Okay? After the exam, we will discuss the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Just 4 questions you have to write. Okay? Question number 1 and 2, you can write in one word, and 1, 2, and 3. Only question number 4, you have to write in sentence. Then we will discuss. Be quiet, all of you. Please mute yourself. Then we will discuss. Okay? Questions are easy, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
A dash show.
All of you, please take your rough book. Shivada, questions are easy, right?
Yes.
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 Okay. So start writing. 5 minutes. Okay. Just 5 minutes for 4 questions. Make it fast.
Second question.
Second question. A dash is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. We use something to locate places easily. That's the question.
And third question.
Advait, you're right. Third question. Past. Past is the time before dash. What is the meaning of past? That's the question. Past is the time before dash. And the last question that you have to write in sentence. What is history? What is history? All these questions are from lesson 1. What is history? Make it fast.
And finish.
Finish. Very good. Very good. But be quiet. Others are writing. Okay.
And finish.
Very good, Sadiq. Very good. Others, no problem. Take time, read the questions carefully, and then write. So I'm expecting full marks for your EVS 2 exam. Okay. Yes. Vinayak, completed?
No. Completed.
Completed. Okay, good work. Vinayak, make it fast.
Ma'am.
Evangeline?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very good. Okay. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. So question number 1 is for Abel Binoy. Others be quiet. Question number 1. A dash show the order of events that have happened in the past. A dash show the order of events that have happened in the past. Order of events. Map is a wrong answer.
Past. Past.
Danush, can you please try? A dash show the order of events that happened in the past. You can take the screenshot. Okay, all these questions are very important. Rishan, can you please try? What's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
A dash show the order of event that happened in the past. Anyone from this group?
Ma'am, timeline.
Timeline. Very good. Please note. Timeline. What's the spelling? Timeline. Timeline. Please note. A timeline show the order of events that have happened in the past. Our birth is the first event, right? Then comes our first birthday, then our second birthday. That's an order. So timeline that always help to show the order of events that happened in the past. Sadiq, next question. A dash is a building or object that is easy to locate. We use something to locate places easily. What was that?
Landmark.
Landmark. Very good. What's the spelling?
LANDMARK.
Very good. Very good. Archa. Past is a time before dash. Past is a time before dash.
First.
Past, which means past is a time before dash. Vinayak,
Yes, ma'am.
past is a time before
Now.
now. Very good. Past is a time before now. And last question is for Advait. What is history?
The study of past.
Very good. A study of past is called as history. Please note, all of you. All these are the important questions. Study of past is a history. What is history? Please note. Yadav, can you please read question number 1 and 2, Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Question and answer.
A timeline show the order
Very good.
of events
Yes.
that have happened
Yes.
the past.
In the past.
In
Yes.
the
What's the
past.
answer? Timeline. Very good. Question number 2. Siddesh. Siddesh. Please read question number 2.
A landmark is a building or object that is easy to locate.
Very good. Shivada, question number 3.
What is the time before now?
Very good. Joanna, question number 4. Yes. Vinayak, question number 4. Please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is a history?
What is history? Yes, a study of past is called as history. Very good. Any doubt from these questions, anyone?
No.
It's clear, right? Please note, all these questions are very important. Okay, so next question. Yes. Okay, just write the answer. Then we will discuss. Okay, question number 1. Just write 1, 2, and 3. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just write the answer. Then we will discuss. I'll read question number 1. How many houses are there in the map? Okay, so you have to check the simple and then write. Be quiet. Next question. Which is the direction opposite to the east? We have 4 directions. So which is the direction opposite to east? Question number 3. What is near to the well? Question number 4. How many trees are there in the map? Question number 5. Without the list of simples, could you have read the map? Okay, these are the 5 questions. Just write, then we will discuss.
Ma'am, what is 3?
3. What is near to the well? Okay, so you have to check the simple for well. Okay, then identify and then check what is near to the well. Easy, right?
Fifth one.
Fifth one, you can write in your own words. It's your idea. Without the list of simples. Without the list of simples, which means...
Ma'am, can you read the second one?
Yes, I'll read. Just a minute, please wait. Look here, all these are called as simples. Okay, so question number 5. Without the list of simples, could you have read the map? Yes or no? That's the question. Without these simples, could you have read the map? Okay, question number 2. Which is a direction opposite to the east? Ready? Yes. Yadav, question number 1. How many houses are there in the map?
4 houses.
Very good. So look here, this is the simple for house. Then you have to count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many houses are here?
4.
Next question. Archa, which is the direction opposite to the east? Direction opposite to east. Sun rises in the east and sets in. Not audible. I'll help you. Just a minute. Look here. We discussed about 4 directions, right? Here we have north, right? So just opposite to north, the direction that is south. Yes or no? How many of you agree with me? Yes. Okay, and here we have east. So the direction opposite to east, that is?
West.
West. Very good. So north and south are opposite to each other and east and west are again opposite to each other. You may please note this diagram, okay?
West.
North, that is opposite to south. East again opposite to west. Now it's clear, right? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, next question for Harin. What is near to the well?
Ma'am.
What is near to the well? So you have to identify where is well. This is well. So this is well. Okay. So what is near to well?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Harin,
Excuse me, ma'am.
who's calling me?
Devananda.
Devananda, what's the problem?
I can't see the board.
What happened? Others? Any problem?
No.
No. Okay, Dia, what is near to the well?
Tree and town.
Very good. Tree. This is our well, right? So tree and tower, they are near to well, right? So any one answer is fine. You can write tree.
Ma'am.
Oh, tower. Next question for Evangeline. How many trees are there in the map? So you have to check the tree and then count.
I cannot see you writing the board. What you write in the board?
In progress. Right?
Once again. Now it's clear, right?
Can you
Yes. Okay. Advait, how many trees are there in the map?
5.
Fine. Yes. Very good. And last question, Advait. Without the list of simples, could you have read the map? No, because these simples are very important, right? Then only we can identify the simples. Then only we can read the simples. Okay, so the answer that is no. This question is easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good work. Next question. Please write question number 1. All these questions are from our lesson 3 map. Questions from map. First question. A dash is a drawing of a place on a flat surface as seen from the position above the place. Just write question number and write the answer. All these are the questions from lesson 3 map. Second question. Name the 4 directions. We learned about 4 directions. So name the 4 directions. Question number 3. So each question carries 1 mark. Dash is an instrument used to show the 4 directions. Question number 4. What are the signs used on a map called? So question number 2 and 4, you have to write in sentences. Question number 4 and 2, please write in sentence.
West now.
What about the question? Is it easy or tough? Andrea?
Easy.
Easy, okay. Last question. To see more details, we zoom in or zoom out? That's the question.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Who's that? Good work, good work. Okay. We'll discuss all the questions. So
Okay,
5 questions are here. Total 10 questions. Okay. 5 more questions are here. Yes, who's calling me? Asha. It's not audible, Arsha. You're stuck here. Question number 2.
Ma'am,
Name
what is
the
3?
4 directions.
Ma'am,
You have to
what is
write in
question number
sentence.
3?
Question number 3. Dash is an instrument used to show the 4 directions. We use a particular instrument to check these directions. That's the question.
Question.
Advait? 5th one. To see more details, we zoom in or zoom out? That's the question. To see more details, we zoom in or zoom out? Which one? 4th one. What are the signs used on a map called?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. You can take the screenshot if you want. Okay. No problem. All these are the important questions. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. So question number 6. Question number 6. Dash is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. Question number 7. To see a large area, we zoom in or zoom out. What does the letter S stand for? Question number 9. Why are landmarks useful? Okay, so you have to write question number 8 and 9 in sentence form. Okay? Last question. Map of India shows every building and shop. Is it true or false? All these are the 5 questions. Be quiet, all of you. Please mute yourself and write. Yes. The total 10 mark. So you are going to check your own answers, okay?
Ma'am, 7th question.
7th one. To see large area, we zoom in or zoom out. Question number 6. Dash is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. Question number 7. To see a large area, we usually zoom in or zoom out. Question number 8. What does the letter S stand for? Why are the landmarks useful? That is question number 9. And last question is a true or false question. Map of India shows every building. Rayan, Manu, can you please mute yourself?
Ma'am, I wrote.
Marian, Niva, Ashik, Abir, Jaron, Sabiga, please switch on your videos.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Good work, good work. We'll discuss. Please wait. Questions are easy, right, Rayan?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Completed?
Yes.
Okay, so let's discuss question number 1 first. Evangeline, a dash is a drawing of a place. Just read the question and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. It's a place about the place.
What's the answer?
Ma'am,
Map. Okay. How many of you got it? Okay, then please give 1 mark for this question. 1.
ma'am, I got it.
Very good, very good. Ashik, question number 2. Ashik.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2 is for you. Read the question and tell me the answer. Read aloud. I can't hear.
East, west,
Good.
west,
Then east, west,
north, south.
north, south. All of you, please mute yourself. Yes. Right answer. Next question, Dia. Dash is an instrument. Okay, so give 1 mark. Next question. Dash is an instrument used to show the 4 directions.
Landmark.
Instrument. Please recheck your answer.
Compass.
Very good. Compass. What's the spelling? Compass.
COMPAS.
Compass. COMPASS. Okay, please check your spelling. Give 1 mark. Next question. MU Ryan. What are the signs used on a map called?
The sign is used on a map is called symbols.
Very good. What's the spelling of simple?
SIM.
SY. Okay, it's not I. SYMBOLS. Okay, 1 mark for question number 4. Vinayak. Last question. To see more details, we
Zoom in.
very good. Zoom in. Very good, Vinayak. So 1 mark for you. Question number 5. Zoom in. You can take the screenshot if you want. Okay. All these are the important questions. Any doubt from this question? Anyone?
No.
No. Very good. Next question. Question number 6. Devananda. Dash is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance. Read the question and answer.
Landmark.
Landmark. What's the spelling, Devananda? Landmark. Yes, very good. Next question. Abir, to see a large area, we Abir, to see a large area, we zoom in or zoom out?
Zoom in. Ma'am, this question you give 2 times.
No. Look here.
Zoom out. Zoom out.
To see more details. To see more details, we zoom in. To see a large area, we usually zoom out. Right? Then only we can see India, Pakistan, Australia and all, right? We usually zoom out
Question.
to see large area. But to get more details, we usually zoom in. Okay? Like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt? Okay, so please answer the correct answer for question number 7, that is zoom out. Okay, 1 mark. Next question. Question number 8. Siddesh, what does the letter S stand for? Make it a sentence, my dear Siddesh. Sentence form. Question is like that. What does the letter S stands for? So letter S stands for south. You have to write like this, okay? Then Joanna, why are landmark useful? Why we are using landmark?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the purpose of landmark? Why we are using landmark?
A landmark is a building or object that is easy to
Locate. That's the answer. Why we are using the landmark? Because it is very easy to locate a place. Very good, Yadav. Next question. Read an answer. Question number 10. Yadav.
Map of India shows every building and shops.
Is it true or false?
False.
Very good. For that, we use neighborhood map, right? Or street map. In map of India that always show the states and country capitals or yes and no. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Question number 10. Shiva. Shivada. Yes. No. Shivada. Yes. Read all these questions. Just a minute. Yeah. Read all the 5 questions with answer.
A dash is a drawing of a place on a flat surface as seen from in position above the page. Map.
Very good. Next question.
Name the 4 directions. East, west, north, south. Dash is an instrument used to show the 4 directions. Compass. What are the signs used on the map called symbols? To see more details, we zoom in.
Next. Abel, please read the next 5 questions with answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Others listen. Abel, I can start.
Dash is a building or object that is
Easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy.
easy to locate from a distance.
Very good.
Landmark.
Next question.
To see a light.
To see a large area, we
dash.
Hmm.
We dash. Zoom out.
Good. Next question. Archa. Archa, read question number 8 and 9. Ameya, question number 10. It's not audible, dear. Sorry. Joanna, can you please read 8 and 9? Yeah, it's time. Okay, so I'll read. What does the letter S stand for? Letter S, that is south. Why are landmarks useful? Why are landmarks useful, my dears? Because it's easy to locate, right? That's why. Okay, Rayan. Why do you use landmark, Rayan?
Landmark is easy to locate places.
Very good, very good. So all of you, very good, good work. So how many of you got 10 out of 10?
Ma'am.
Vinayak, Rayan, Sadik, yes, Devananda, Evangeline. So all of you, please give a big clap for yourself, okay? You can clap like this. Well done, my dear, well done. Yes? Yes, well done. Keep it up. Like that, yes. Good work. So all the very best for your exam, okay? This is our last class, right? So all the very best for your exam. Okay, let me take your attendance. Please wait. The very best for your exam. I'm wishing you all the very best, okay? So take care and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you next class.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
All
Thank
the very
you.
best.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you.